Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Honorable judges, my respectable teacher, and all dear friends, good morning. My name is Michael Ali. The motivation of today's debate. I strongly believe that exams should be banned in schools. At first, the approach of present exam system means the bringing fear, tension, and anxiety and stress in the mind of the student. Under which, if a student does not perform according to her parents' expectation, may lead the student even taking the extreme step of ending their life through by suicide. Some people, I am against the exam because many of the students get the paper and realize bribing their money of board officers by high grades, while another student who worked hard who is hurted because of his low result. I want to say that exams are not a reliable test is judging the ability of the student. Many of the students judging the ability of the student. Luck plays major role. It is impossible to set the questions as it is same difficulty in every year. If it is result, we will high grade. It is possible to study the tested subjects for high grades. In conclusion, I strongly believe that exams should be banned. Our country cannot progress if either cheating or exam should be not banned. Thank you for giving me your question.
Exams should be banned, but I am its against. Exam is precious to check the ability of a student, but some students think that it is a pressure and tension. If there would be no exam, no student will be studying. Everyone will make the fun of the studies. There will be no competition. Everyone will fight for the job purpose. That I am better than you, I am better. No one will define for the job purpose. But it will take some students come out from depression. One main reason examination should not be abolished is that it motivates students to study hard. For example, students need good grades to get a progress level and to get into university. So they must study hard for that. Weakness and strength of the subject and tell them what they need to improve on. That's all. Thank you for giving me a precious time.
Allah, who was most and honorable judges, respected teachers, and dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is exam should be banned. Exam is a bad day most students ever have. A bad day has a magic power to change a happy person and another one. However, it is a big part of the school that most students ever have. Exams have disadvantage to the student level. Some people say that exams should not be banned because say that exams are the only way for the teacher to see the student level. It builds high sense of responsibility and it gives them pressure that will be useful later in life. But all students have to go through their knowledge. There are advantages in exam, but there are people who think that opposite. Exams have more disadvantages to the student level. Thank you.
Honorable judges and dear respectable teachers and all dear my friends, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamdali and today I am here for debate. The topic of our debate is exams should be banned, but I am against it. Many people think that exams are the most appropriate and a fair way to check the progress of a student and determine the intelligence of a student. And many people would vote for abolishing exams and abolishing exams and vote for abolishing exams and replacing them with more practical and skill-oriented methods to see the performance of the student. I support the idea of abolishing exams and in exams I will present my reasons. The school exam is a countable number of questions that what is the progress of a student, what is the intelligence of a student, what is the performance of a student, and how he is giving the test. We think that you can know about the knowledge that he should go for. In my opinion, it's a general term behind the humankind, because Allah also takes the test from his angels and from his blood, and so that's why exams should be abolished and exams should not be banned. Thank you.
Judge, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. Today the topic of my debate is exams should be banned, and I am in the against, because when exams are held, intelligent student get top position in the school. After that, his name become famous. Every teacher give him respect and love. After that, student feel competition. They will also do hard work, practice day and night to get top position. Honorable Judge, when exams are held, intelligent students don't worry for their studies. They will do hard work, practice day and night. If exams are not conducted, students are not worried for their studies. If they are not worried for their studies, how they will learn, how they will get education. Honorable Judge, school examination are something which most students dread. Yet there is hardly any educational system that doesn't set examination. Many feel that exams should be banned because it has the memory power of students rather their electrical or reasoning power. Such examination only used to memorize the knowledge of students. Passing examination could also sometimes be a matter of luck. Lucky students who score questions do better than one who just read their book. Honorable Judge, after bad exams, we are not protected because we don't have army force. We don't pass the test of jobs. How we will fight with the new disease? We don't have doctors. How we will survive? How we will treat our patients? How we will get education? We don't have teachers. Honorable Judge, after bad exams, teacher doesn't give any attention to the student. If teacher doesn't give attention to a student, how we will get education? Honorable Judge, after banning exams, student take their study very light. Student take their study very light. They will not read even a single word at home or at school, because there is a concept of promotion to another grade without appearing in exam. How someone beautifully says that if you want to destroy a country, deprive them of education, the people will automatically be destroyed. Thank you. And all my dear friends, today the topic of my debate is exams should be banned, and I am against. Honorable Judge, as you know, that education is the key to success. When we get education from any public or private sector, we learn a lot of things from teachers. So exam is a part of education. It gives our youth what student. He is learning something or not. So we can say exam is the best way of education to get the result of a student, and how he performs the exam, and how we can say that exam should be banned. It is a very huge loss of education as well as students. And other thing is that exams provide leadership, which encourages all students and teachers as well. Because exams for teachers and teachers and exams, therefore exams should not be banned. Exam is the way to test our knowledge. Exam make you feel how capable you are. Exams make you realize how capable. It has students to know the understand of the subject and tell the students what they need to improve on. Thank you.